Okay, go.
Someone like Anthony Ramos can sing, can dance, can act, can give, can be a romantic lead, can be a comedic lead, can be an action star. He
Bigger.
can do all those things. Leslie, Malika, people that you've seen but never given the opportunity to play a role like this.
I got butt bigger, but it's way more like the oops. Remember off camera you always do it? Remember off camera you always butt big? Yeah, come on, do like that. Okay, quick.
I'll do it, whatever. I can get free tickets. So I go down there, I see flying over his